Have you ever wondered what these numbers are on the pencil and what do they mean? Well, I'm here to tell you. So, there are generally two types of pencil, the H series pencil and the B series pencil. They have numbers associated to them, for example, 2H and 4H. They go till 9H also, but I currently only have these two. It's the same in B series also. They go till 6B, 8B, and 10B in some pencils. Now, H stands for hardness and B stands for blackness. But what does that mean? The hardness and blackness is meant for the lead of the pencil. So, as we go higher in the H series pencil, we get a light and more brittle lead, which is kind of easy to erase, gives light shade on the paper, and is very precise to use. As we can see, both 2H and 4H gives very light shade on the paper, but on closer examination we find 4H to be even lighter than 2H. The H pencils are used when minor details are to be given on an art piece. Similarly, it's the case in B series pencil. Starting off with HB, it's kind of a perfect combination between H pencil and the B pencil. It gives us neither too light shade nor too dark. It's just like a perfect combo between them. Now for the 2B and 4B pencil, we can clearly see how different their shades are from 2H and 4H. While we can hardly see 2H and 4H pencils, we see how dark 2B and 4B shades are. As we head towards the highest pencils in the B series, 6B, 8B and 10B, we see how dark and how smudged kind of texture they gave on the paper. It is simply because of the darkness and the boldness present in the pencil. If we were to compare them to the H series pencil, while we can see every stroke in the 2H and 4H pencil, we can just see how smudged and how ready to blend 6B, 8B and 10B pencils are. Now apart from these, we also have charcoal pencils. They usually come in just three categories: is hard, medium and soft. Of course, as the name suggests, soft is very dark compared to the other two. It is also because of the blackness present in the pencil. But how to use them in portraits? Well, here's how. If we can see that these are the darkest area in the portrait, these are of course drawn by the highest pencils in the B series, 8B, 10B, while the areas with lesser darkness, like this area and over here this area, these are all smudged parts of the 2B and maximum 4B pencil. Just the details, if you can see clearly, they are done by H series pencil.